Hello, Linda here. Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you the 3-year Midori journal that I will be using starting in 2023. And this is the Midori version of like the sort of 5-year journals that you often see out there. There are many on Amazon, and there's also the Hobonichi 5-year journal that is very, very popular. But Midori also makes them, and they actually have like a mini 1-year journal, which I think sort of like it's a new thing that tracks throughout like every day and repeating every month, so that you could see sort of what patterns and things there might be. But most popular is like the 5-year time frame, but 3-year actually exists, 5-year actually exists, and also 10 years for the Midori. And the reason why I chose the Midori journal instead of Hobonichi and things like that is because I really like the way that the journal looks. It's like this hardcover book, really great in terms of like this is going to be something you archive and obviously keep for the future. So my idea is that if I start a 3-year journal, 2023, 24, and then 25, then in 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, I can use the 5-year one. And if I'm successful in completing all of that, I can go on to the 10-year one. So you can see the size of this is like bigger than a Passport TN, but it's, you know, smaller than like the standard size TN, even though the width is very similar. So it's a very, I guess, specific size to it. I don't know if it's considered like B6 Slim, maybe. I'm not sure. But you can see it's much smaller than an A5 size journal. So it is a very pretty like quality, like hardcover type of book with what seems like a linen-y kind of cover. And that's why I really liked this version of the multiple year journals. It just looks so beautiful, well made for archiving. And this journal actually comes with, I think, instructions and things like that, but of course everything is in Japanese, so I'm not really sure like how to you know, read all that stuff, although you can use, you know, Google Translate. But basically the style of this particular series are like doors. So I think every month there's like doors, and you can see just every day is on one page, and there's 3 different spots where you can enter in the actual year and the day of the week, and then journal like couple lines, and then you would do that for 3 years, and so you'll be able to see like what happened on this particular day throughout all 3 years. And you can see that there is a little design that creates sort of that tabbing of every month. And again, just beautiful design in my respect. And I know some people, they don't like the lines that Midori uses. The lines are sort of like, I think they're supposed to like seem like they're hand-drawn. So they're not like computer completely straight lines. They're sort of like wiggly. So if that bothers you, this might not be the journal for you. But just in general, I think that it has beautiful design, really something amazing to archive. And as you can see, there's also the leap year. So no matter when it is you, if there is a leap year or not a leap year, at least that page is there for you and available for you to journal. So it will definitely accommodate all years, all dates. And usually when I see examples, I've seen people journaling in another language, like in Japanese, but they put the year and the day of the week. So it'll be like January 1st in 2023 is like Monday, or actually I don't even know what it is, like Monday, Tuesday, whatever. And then you change, and having that information and your little bit of journaling, that should sort of give you like a good archive of your daily life, if that's what you're journaling. And I was just really attracted to this idea of multiple year journaling, and I really love the fact that they have a 3-year version, so it's like slightly less commitment than the 5-year, because I know a lot of people, like, they jump on the bandwagon and then are not able to finish. So I'm hoping that this will be better. So just wanted to share that with you, and would appreciate any of your thoughts or tips and tricks if you are a multi-year journaler and you have found that to be good for you and successful for you. Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, I am Linda. I blog on tortagialla.com, and if you go to my blog, you can get lots of free printables that I've posted there. There's no strings attached. You don't have to sign up for anything. They're just blog posts with whatever printable I might be sharing, and usually they are pattern papers. Because I love designing surface pattern design type of things. I love designing repeat patterns, so loads of them that you can use in your journaling, junk journaling, planner decor, and of course there's also stationery and sort of like stickers and collage elements as well. So visit tortagialla.com if you want to know more, and thank you so much for watching my video. You can hit subscribe if you want to see more. And definitely let me know down in the comments what you think. I am always happy to reply and sort of chit chat about all things paper and stationery. Thanks so much.